Ready to take your camping experience to new heights? In this video, we'll explore the best rooftop tents that offer unbeatable convenience, protection, and comfort perfect for travelers, photographers, and nature lovers who crave adventure without sacrificing quality. Number 1. WildFinder Rooftop Tent. The WildFinder Rooftop Tent is built for durability, comfort, and all-weather adventure. Crafted from 100% aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, this tent is resistant to aging, expansion, and contraction, ensuring longevity even under harsh environmental conditions. Compared to plastic models that may leak after enduring seasonal changes, this aluminum build offers peace of mind and performance for years. The tent uses stainless steel air pressure levers combined with premium polyester fabric that's breathable, waterproof, and comfortable. Its blackout properties and privacy features enhance your sleeping experience, whether in the mountains or by the lake. Inside, comfort is further elevated with a recessed marine pad that reduces internal humidity and a condensation pad to prevent water droplets from forming due to temperature changes. A 5 cm non-deforming mattress provides ample support and relaxation after long travel days. The WildFinder Rooftop Tent includes a comprehensive set of accessories designed to enhance your camping experience. With a 7.5 feet telescoping ladder, 10 organizer bags, an LED strip for nighttime visibility, luggage crossbars, dual shoe organizers, and 3 mesh windows, your setup is both functional and comfortable. You'll also find 2 extra mattresses in addition to the built-in one, allowing you to customize your sleeping area. Its weather resistance is impressive. It stands up to level 6 wind, blocks 99.99% of the sun, holds up against 5,000 millimeters rain, and offers level 4 snow protection, making it a reliable companion in any climate. Whether you're overlanding or camping off the grid, this rooftop tent delivers exceptional performance and durability. Number 2. 3-person rooftop tent. The 3-person rooftop tent brings together toughness, comfort, and convenience for families or small groups of adventurers. Constructed from high-grade aircraft aluminum alloy, this tent is built to last and resists the warping and degradation that plastic models often suffer from after exposure to fluctuating temperatures. You can trust its long-term performance through harsh summers and freezing winters. The stainless steel air pressure rods are both durable and rust-resistant, ensuring long-lasting operation even after extended use. A premium polyester fabric forms the tent's outer shell, offering comfort and privacy thanks to its breathable and waterproof nature and blackout functionality. Inside, the design focuses on creating a cozy and practical sleeping environment. A recessed marine pad helps reduce humidity, while the integrated condensation pad prevents internal moisture buildup caused by temperature differences. The 5 cm mattress is soft yet supportive, promising restful sleep wherever your adventure takes you. The included accessories go above and beyond the basics. With a 7.5 feet telescoping ladder, 10 organizer bags, a ladder organizer, dual shoe compartments, a pair of luggage crossbars, and 3 mesh windows, this tent provides a complete camping solution. It also comes with 2 separate mattresses in addition to a built-in one, letting you adjust your space as needed. Number 3. Naturnest Rooftop Tent. The Naturnest Rooftop Tent stands out as a versatile and durable option for any outdoor enthusiast looking to elevate their camping experience. Designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, including Jeeps, SUVs, vans, and trucks, this tent offers the ideal solution for solo travelers or couples who want a hassle-free setup without compromising on quality. Its pop-up clamshell structure can be set up in just 30 seconds, saving precious time and making it easy to get cozy fast after a long day. This rooftop tent uses 316 stainless steel and carbon steel gas struts with a strong support force of 8,000 N, meaning it maintains its performance even after 45,000 uses. That kind of durability, combined with its aircraft-grade aluminum hard shell, makes this tent extremely resilient and capable of withstanding heavy use and tough environments. The 310G polyester fabric adds more functionality, offering an impressive IPX6 waterproof rating, 5,000 millimeters rain resistance, 99% UV sun protection, and level 6 windproof capability. This all-weather tent also incorporates a convection air design and sealed window shields, ensuring comfort during both summer heat and winter chill. Inside, a 5 cm thick mattress provides proper support and comfort, helping relieve fatigue and ensuring you get a good night's sleep. The blackout fabric creates a dark sleeping environment, perfect for early sunrises or afternoon naps. With 3 doors equipped with YKK zipper mesh and sealable windows, the tent promotes excellent ventilation while protecting against insects and weather. This rooftop tent is a perfect companion for road trips, overlanding adventures, or remote camping spots where traditional ground tents just won't do. Number 4. Bamacar Rooftop Tent. The Bamacar Rooftop Tent brings together rugged construction, smart design, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for outdoor adventurers seeking a fast and efficient camping setup. One of its most notable features is the rapid 30-second pop-up mechanism, powered by 316 stainless steel gas struts that offer a powerful 8,000 N of support. Designed for durability, this tent can withstand up to 45,000 openings without a hitch, making it ideal for frequent travelers who don't want to compromise on reliability. Built using premium 310G polyester fabric, a blackout inner layer, and a hard aluminum shell, this tent is equipped to perform in all weather conditions. It offers IPX6 rated waterproofing with 5,000 millimeters water resistance, strong sun protection with 99% UV blocking, and level 6 wind resistance. The triangular frame design not only adds stability, but also enhances its weather protection and overall structure. Inside, comfort is taken seriously with a 5 centimeters thick high-density mattress that molds to your body for maximum support and fatigue relief. This ensures optimal airflow in warmer months while retaining heat during colder nights. The Bamacar Rooftop Tent also takes moisture control seriously with a dual waterproof layer system that includes an internal condensation pad and a marine-grade mat. Number 5. Timber Rooftop Tent. The Timber Rooftop Tent is an excellent solution for families or groups looking for a spacious, multifunctional camping setup that connects seamlessly with your vehicle. What makes it stand out is its unique ability to integrate with your SUV trunk, providing additional sleeping space, storage, and quick access to vehicle amenities without worrying about gaps or leaks. Its smart ePort design allows easy access to power sources, so you can keep your devices charged and ready while enjoying the outdoors. With a generous floor plan measuring 10 feet by 8 feet and over 7.1 feet of height, it comfortably accommodates up to 5 people and allows most campers to stand fully upright inside. This is perfect for families with kids or groups of friends who want room to move around freely. The tent also includes 2 mesh storage bags to keep gear organized and off the floor. A unique and fun addition is the included movie screen, making this tent perfect for outdoor movie nights in the wild. Whether it's a quiet night under the stars or family entertainment in nature, this feature adds extra value and enjoyment. Built from high-quality polyester taffeta with a PU 2000 waterproof coating, the Timber Rooftop Tent is designed to hold up against the elements. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.